Bring your own technology, students, to class so that you can create interactive activities like this. Let's watch it play. This is a PSA done by one of our students in the class, actually a group of students, where they used this program InShot, which is a mobile app that they downloaded from their phone and created a 30-second PSA commercial. Students are able to write the scripts and also become their own actors. These students also created their own music through a mobile app. Mobile apps now allow students to use their own technology like a cell phone. In this case, I have an iPad, and I'm using the FreeFly app to fly a drone. Our students are now learning how to fly drones, and we know that drones are some of the more interesting technology tools that are now being displayed throughout companies throughout the US. I can control this drone with my iPad or my cellular phone. So students are also able to do this. So our job as educators is to make activities like this important for students so that they're not just using their cell phones to text, to snap, or to Instagram, but to learn something. So what is BYOT? Well, BYOT stands for Bring Your Own Technology. And it's a policy that has been adopted by many school systems so that students can use their cell phones and mobile devices for educational purposes. That also includes tablets, handheld devices. Students use their cell phones quite a bit today, as we know, but we want to make sure that they're using it for educational purposes and not just for entertainment purposes. And that's pretty much the gist of BYOT. So just how important the BYOT program is to schools today, this chart shows how internet usage by mobile and tablet devices has exceeded desktop usage worldwide. As you can see, according to research done by the independent web analytics company StatCounter, from their research starting in October 2016, mobile and tablet devices accounted for 51.3% of internet usage worldwide, compared to 48.7% by desktop, which are considered traditional computing platforms. In other words, internet usage is on the verge of becoming dominated by smartphones as the trend is expected to continue. So let's look at some teaching strategies. Through research, we have found that partnerships from stakeholders must buy in and promote success. If all members see the value of integration, all parties involved will benefit exponentially. That means stakeholders, which includes the superintendents, the principals, supervisors, curriculum directors, parents, teachers, technology department members, as well as students. We are all a part of this thing together. No longer should education be defined by teacher, student, but rather a collaborative and cooperative effort by all. The classroom school day no longer is 8 to 4, but rather 24/7, 365. Through shared partnerships, all stakeholders may benefit and see the astonishing learning we will all gain from such implementation. Embracing BYOT strategies provide the premise for which maximum learning takes place, and all stakeholders contribute. This is from the Web 2.0 book from the ISTE program, International Society of Technology. You can see one of the units that I do in my class is
PSAs, public service announcements, and we pick a topic. Students are able to pick a topic from the Ad Council and then create a 30-second PSA commercial using their cell phones, and then they edit their videos with whichever platforms they feel comfortable with. Some students edit in iMovie, some students edit it in WeVideo, and a host of different platforms that they're comfortable with. As teachers, we don't know all the best video editing programs, and you'll see here's Jayla's video that she posted on the blog for other students to see, and she wrote her script, and then also she had 11 comments from other students in the classroom. So we're able to connect to one another, watch each other's videos, and you'll be able to see and understand how these students really are communicating today. We have to reach these students where they are so that they can understand the importance of their cell phones and of these platforms and technology so that education can become important.
Did you know that 1 out of 5 children in the United States suffer from hunger? These kids, these people go day by day without having anything to eat. And we complain about disliking food, but at least we have food. You can help them today. You can make that change in their life. So go out and be a change.
I hope you enjoyed this video.